Hey everyone, my name is Corey. I wanted to make a quick video just to talk about the experience that I have had with my financial solutions. I have student loans just like about everybody else my age now, and the company that I had, it was Navient, and I was struggling pretty hard to make the payment between that and just my other bills. I was working part-time in sales, so wasn't making a ton, and my payment was around $430 a month. And when I called them to help me get it lower, they just couldn't do anything for me. They said there's no options to get it any lower. They told me that forbearance was my best option, just pushing it off, which would have built interest, and I would have been even more in debt. And I'm really glad at this point I didn't do that, just because I'd have a lot more debt and wouldn't be in the best spot. So I did a lot of research to try to find any other company that could help me out and get it any lower. I searched a lot of stuff. I just didn't feel comfortable pulling the triggers. I know there's a lot of scams and stuff out there, and so I just never did anything. I just kept paying the amount that they gave me. So I was actually on the couch with my fiance one night, and she was scrolling through Facebook and saw an ad from my financial solutions and talked about how they have free consultations and so on. So, I figured, it can't hurt. So I gave them a call, talked with a gentleman named Ben, one of their financial specialists, and super helpful, made me feel very comfortable. I could tell that, they weren't a joke. He was very confident he could get my payment lower. So we went through all different plans, different payment options. He mentioned that there was income-based plan, which I didn't even know was a thing because Navient never said anything about anything like that. So we got me on that, got my payment significantly lower, and right now I'm actually not even paying anything a month. So that's incredible. And the best part is at the end of my term, all my loans get forgiven. So I'm so happy I went with them. I wish I would have found them sooner. It would have made my life way less stressful. I've even passed along their info to a couple of my friends, and one of them actually just signed up a couple months ago, and they got his payment significantly lower as well. So if you have student loans and you can't get them any lower, or even if they got them lower for you, give my financial solutions a call. I can guarantee they can probably get them even lower than you have. They've been incredible to work with. They've made my life so much less stressful, and I can go on with my life now and not have to worry about that every single month. So again, I definitely give them a call. It's free consultation, so it absolutely cannot hurt.